another tofu dish. Super healthy and power packed with protein. Just add some eggs. Then stir fry until golden brown. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, ketchup, salt, and then water. Tomato. Optional, you can add some vegetables when you mixing. Pwede din yan. Ako kasi gusto ko ng vegetables lagi. Then, add na natin yung sauce kung ginawa natin kanina. Tapos, yung tofu. And then, isisimmer natin yan ng 5 minutes. Supposed to be may cornstarch pero wala akong cornstarch and some sugar pero ayaw kong lagyan ng sugar. Alam pa sa color. Let's add some greens. Alright, there you go. This is my version of tomato tofu. Just added some vegetables in it.